Advay Agarwal, and today I am going to make an incredible, exciting science experiment called underwater volcano. For this experiment, the equipments are you need a measuring cup, a scoop, a funnel, a measuring stick, and a test tube. And the increments are you need a baking soda, citric acid, red food coloring, also vegetable oil and water. First, we are going to pour some water into the test tube. Okay, I put 10 ml more water in this test tube. Then we need to add 2 drops of red food coloring in the test tube. One, 2. Yes, all done. The second step. Now you need to add 1 scoop of baking soda in the test tube. You need to do half scoop. We can put the funnel for using the baking soda that the baking soda doesn't spill. It works like this. Now you need to shake it up to the baking soda is all in the test tube. Okay, now you need to add 20 ml vegetable oil in the measuring cup. We have done that. Now finally you need to do half scoop of citric acid. We will add the citric acid directly in the test tube. As you can see, the citric acid are going up and down. Previous to the previous episode, bubbles of carbon dioxide are released. But in this experiment, the oil is lighter than water, and that is called viscosity. Viscosity. And now, as you can see, the bubbles are floating up and down. We need a plate for that to see it. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll